Alright guys, so this is the skipyard, but I'm not talking about the skipyard. Over there is the airport, and this is how is the condition. This is the only place what I can record for you guys, and so many airplanes are just parked, and that's it. I cannot see any planes on the runway. How you doing guys today? I hope so you're keeping well. I'm now in the Jimbaran. I guess, as you don't know about this place, not many people know, this is just on the other side of the harbor. I mean, where is the fish market and kind of like a fisherman boats harbors, and just next to me over there behind me is the airport. I make a one shot of the airport and current condition from the completely different side of the airport, where is the parks planes in the airport. So you will see now or soon. And check this out, these people, they're gonna put the fisherman boats into the ocean. Check this out guys. This is the place where the fishermen in Jimbaran, they're going for the fishing, obviously now, it's already sunset time. It's a bit cloudy today, so sorry guys about that. Today I want to talk a little bit about, of course, about Jimbaran and Jimbaran beach and how it's in Jimbaran, and a little bit about if Bali will be really open in next month, because today is 13 of August, so obviously 1 month till day when everybody are looking for, which is 11th of September, if Bali will be open for international tourists. If will be open, because it's not confirmed yet. You can see life in Jimbaran. This is very local area. I discovered this place actually when I first time arrived to Bali. I was the person who go into places who nobody's go. I don't see any white person here now, and I never ever saw, but possibly some people coming here anyway. And life is like fisherman's, you know, going and preparing for fishing. This guy behind me is carrying the big block of ice. This fisherman's over here. I will move into this area over there, which is the second part of Jimbaran, where it's more touristic and where is the fancy hotels like Four Seasons Jimbaran. So this is the boats. Over there is the last beach, and everything behind me that belongs to the airport, like backstage of the warehouses or something like that. Behind me over here is Ibiza in Bali, kinda new club, kinda famous, looks like in Ibiza, Mediterranean style. That's one of my friend of me favorite place in Bali, so here we go. Forgot to mention, of course, it's closed, as you see. Alright guys, just arrived to Jimbaran beach, the proper Jimbaran beach, where there's more people like tourists and local people enjoying, and also surfers over there. There behind me, this is the restaurants with the seafood, the proper restaurants, not the market, fish market, just the restaurants. Previously what I showed you, the empty road and the big parking empty, that's the restaurants where always so many travel agents, big travel agents, Chinese travel agents, private drivers gonna bring people for the dinner, seafood dinner. It's just closed, or even they are open, they are empty. Sorry guys, I was just thinking about something. Here the life is similar to Kuta beach, however the beach in Jimbaran is more clean. Behind me is my favorite restaurant seafood in this place in Jimbaran. However, they have only 4 tables on the beach and it's totally empty, like actually almost everything around. That's so sad, because mostly at this time will be there around 100 people. So sad. So this is Jimbaran Bay. Over there is the Four Seasons Hotel. Kids playing, surfing, playing football. And over there is the airport and the beach where I've been. Actually, beach where I've been is exactly there. As you can see here, beach is very nice and very clean, actually super clean. Very nice sun, very nice wave, not too high, so good for the surfing for kids or someone who is just a beginner. I just want to talk a little bit about the plans of opening Bali in 11th of September. Many people around the world, and especially Balinese people have a big hope with that. However, this is only the plans, and it's just 28 days, if I'm not mistaken, to this date. And by my logically thinking is, I think it's already time to make an official announcement if it will be open or not, right? Because people who are living, especially let's say in Europe, because Australians people, I feel really sorry to every Australians people because they have a lockdown till end of the year, so no Australian people will come to Bali in this year, no matter what, except of course they have a Kitas visa, but they can come even tomorrow. So the thing is if they really will open or not, because Thailand just yesterday or 2 days ago announced as will be closed till end of the year. So Thailand, no tourism in Thailand in this year in 2020, so sad. Singapore, Malaysia, neighbor countries, no informations, probably they will be closed as well. So that doesn't sound good. And Indonesia itself, government of Indonesia don't really want to open Indonesia borders, only Bali, because Bali only is the island in Indonesia which brings money from the tourism, obviously. So actually only nice waves, only Bali wants to be open, but it will be really open, I don't know, but it's already time to make an announcement, I guess. And Bali is super quiet, and like I spoke with my friend and he said, Damian, do you see any traffic jams in Bali? Because I cannot see anything. And that's true, exactly. Last year there was so many people from Indonesian people, local people from different islands coming by cars, their personal cars, was such a huge traffic from Denpasar to airport or vice versa. It took even 3 hours, could you imagine that? But now, if you drive fast, less than half hour. Empty roads, as you saw yesterday, 2 days ago. So that's the proof, as Indonesian people don't really coming to Bali right now. Even they can, because the local tourism is open, right? By my logic thinking, I think as the airlines, like a huge airlines who's coming to Bali from Europe, let's say, from America, let's say focus on Europe, like Emirates, Etihad, Qatar, KLM, Air France, British Airways, Lufthansa, Scott will be closed. Scott is Singaporean airline, will be closed till June 2021. So this is the sign as is something wrong, right guys? If it's now 28 days, the airlines have to make a schedule of their flights. This is loads of paperwork. It's not just okay, Bali's open tomorrow, let's put 2 flights a day to Bali and will be a lot of people, right? It's not gonna work like this. This is a lot of paperwork, lots of regulations, and same people as tourists, they need a little bit, at least a little bit of time to make a decision when you're gonna come, find the accommodation and everything. However, many tourist attractions at this point is closed, and many of them, like Tegalalang rice fields, they looks like abandoned, because for 4 months is nothing happening there. Looks like on my video, you can find our link below. So over here, guys, is very wild part of beach. That's how it looks, how was look beach in Jimbaran and in Kuta around 40-50 years ago, like this. Alright guys, so basically we're getting questions about when Bali will be open for international tourism and everything. This is the one of updates. Actually it's just my personal thoughts about that. If we're gonna get any information, will be any official information from the Indonesian government, for sure we're gonna make a vlog and we're gonna tell you, but at this point everything is just as the plans, and logically I don't know. If you have to ask for this question by yourself. Also the question is, even if will be open, how many potentially tourists from Europe especially will come to Bali right now during the current situations, during the having tests, traveling for 20-30 hours. Many people was traveling through Singapore or through China. Nobody will travel through China, I guess. So the only Emirates or Qatar Airways who are having flights by Middle East is possible, but like many people going by Singapore Airlines or with the stopover in Singapore. Even the Polish airline have flights to Singapore and then from Singapore by AirAsia. So I'm not sure how many people will possibly willing to do this. However, I wish all the best to Bali and to this current situation. I wish everything is open and I can make vlogs more interesting than now, because now is so many limitations, as you know. So I hope so everything will back to normal as soon as possible, guys. Alright guys, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Short again. Tomorrow will be, like always, something new. Every day something new. New vlog every day, 7 PM Bali Time GMT +8. So it's around 12, 1 o'clock in Europe, at morning in America, in Australia, in Perth, the same time. You know guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoy it. I show you a little bit of the different part of Jimbaran. This is very beautiful beach. Unfortunately not really sunset today. Thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow, guys. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. I really recommending you to subscribe and put the bell so you will get the notifications when we upload the video at 7 PM obviously. And see you tomorrow, guys. See ya.